Hi guys, we come back up to Cefn Ddu to pick up a drop rig. We're here to get an archive recording from this site, and we're also seeing whether the Nightjars are still here. They were here 10 days ago, and at that time there were also flocks of redpolls, missel thrushes and goldfinches. Now, last night when I came to put the drop rig in, there were hardly any birds here whatsoever. Now this morning I've come back and there are hardly any birds. In fact, what I have seen this morning are red kites and kestrels. So it seems the birds of prey are coming back out. And a friend of mine last night saw a hen harrier up here, and they're quite rare birds. From my experience and what other people have been saying, it seems that autumn is here a month early. The weather has really changed. All the fruit has ripened early, the grass seeds all came early, probably to do with the hot weather we've had. But that might also mean that the birds are going to leave early. If you listen now, nothing, no birds at all. There's just a fly flying around me. That's very unusual. Okay, the drop rig's in here, same place as last time. Let's go and get it. Here we go guys, all looking good. Here we got our clippy microphones recording into a Zoom F3. Let's see if it's still switched on. Yep, no problem. Okay guys, so I'm going to strip this down now, head off back to the house. I'll put the hour before and after dusk and dawn in the archive playlists. They're going to give us an idea over the bird movements over the whole year. And if there's any nightjars, I'll put them in the nightjar playlist. And if there's not, then we know that they're gone. Like all the other birds that have flocked up, they've left. If there's any interesting snippets, I'll leave them at the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.